We at Siemens are continually optimizing and developing ourselves further. With our Vision Life 2020 Plus, we are shaping the future of our brand. That's why we have pushed ahead with our environmental and digitization strategy in South America. Ever since the first Siemens factory opened its doors in Rio de Janeiro in 1905, we have felt a strong sense of commitment to Brazil, its strong culture, and its important environment. Here, in the greater Sao Paulo area, were our two warehouses, Cabreuva and Jundiai. Through extensive optimization, we were able to merge both camps into a single location in Jundiai. A central hub has been created. Currently, over 200 Siemens colleagues are employed there. By implementing this project, the delivery time to our customers is shortened, performance is increased, and the economical processing is guaranteed. The merging of the customer fields and the connection of the flow of goods have led to considerably shorter handling times. The CO2 reduction is implemented as an equivalent premise. This eliminates the need for all transport between locations. Thanks to the consolidation of orders, fewer cardboard boxes and filling materials are required. Furthermore, vendor parts must be delivered to one location only. All this was made possible by a comprehensive digitization strategy. With the use of artificial intelligence, the logistics were analyzed, and processes and techniques were visualized in 3D and replanned with the help of augmented reality. In the future, order picking will be implemented with smart carts in order to ensure error-free order processing. In this way, we are approaching the goal of paperless processing within our logistics. Our goal is complete CO2 neutrality by the year 2030. With the successful project Jundiai Logistics, we have come even closer to our goal of Life 2020 Plus. We are thus setting the course for sustained value creation through accelerated growth and strengthening of profitability with a simplified group structure. We are thus more closely connected with our home in South America.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.